Ocho Valles, it's me again and this is my Saturday ganap. Nag-hike kami sa Gualba. Actually, dapat lima kami kaso naiwan yung dalawa. Dito kasi sa Europe, hindi uso ang antayan, lalo na kapag nasa group event ka. Though I'm a Filipina, but I don't practice Filipino time anymore. Kapag sumali ka sa mga group event dito sa Europe, you have to be on time at the meeting place. Otherwise, no one would wait for you. No hard feelings, pero pwede kang humabol kung gusto mo. So yun na nga, the hike distance was 21 km from starting point. First 3 to 4 kilometers are flat, then the rest are elevated na. Pero there are some areas na it's tippy and tricky, so you just have to be extra careful. Isang maling step mo lang, mahuhulog ka talaga. Kaya yes, very careful. Throughout the trails, 3 falls ang madadaanan mo at sobrang ganda. Worth it ang pagod, ang sarap na sana maligo. Kaso medyo malamig pa, kaya hindi pwede at baka magka-pneumonia ka. The water was extremely cold. Spring pa kasi, pero perfect siya for summer. Kailangan namin bumaba ng maaga. Habang nag-aantay kami ng train, kumain muna kami ng ice cream. As a reward of course. We deserve this.